Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kai Styles. I'm super excited because today we're going to be trying out a new product. I was actually at the Walmarts today and I was shopping for some other things and I happened to find these. I've seen a couple other people use these online or a similar system to this, like the new response to lash extensions. So these are supposed to be able to last you up to 6 days of wear. I guess we'll find out. They're meant to be worn underneath your natural lash instead of on top like a regular lash. So I'm interested to see how this application process works out. But let's read the instructions really quick. It says, before using extend wear lash extensions, use an eyelash curler to gently curl lashes that are clean and dry. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to go remove all of this eye makeup that I just put on. Yeah, I guess I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I have cleaned my eyelashes and they are dry. Eyelash curler. Eyelashes are curled. Step number 2, use the micro mascara wand to apply adhesive to a small section of the underside of your lash that is the same width as the cluster. Begin adhesive application near the natural lash root and extend to mid-lash. Do not apply adhesive on waterline or lash tips. Okay, so this is the micro mascara wand. This is the adhesive. Very tiny bottle. I don't think this will fit in this bottle. Oh, yes it does. Okay, so the wand fits in the bottle. I guess that's why it's micro. And so you don't get this stuff in your eyes. So they say that you should start on the outside. And apply. Gently detach a cluster from the tray. Use the lash applicator to hold the cluster by its lash tips and apply it near the root of the underside of the natural lash. So I'm gonna use the little tweezers that they gave me and I'm gonna pick up a section of those lashes. Once the cluster is attached to the natural lash, use the lash applicator to gently clamp the cluster onto natural lashes. I just clamped the cluster to my tweezer. Repeat steps 1 through 3, working your way from the outer to inner corner of the eye and using clusters in descending order. Trim excess lash from last cluster if necessary. This glue gets really sticky. I think I used too much glue on my first lash and I didn't quite get it in the right spot. This is not as easy as they make it seem. I just lost my eyelash. Oh, here it is. Let's try a little more glue. I feel like it's all good till this clamping down part, and then I feel like that glue sticks to everything. See, like this thing is stuck to my eyelash now. I think I did a little bit better with that one at least. I feel like you gotta move quick once you get that glue on your lash. Sometimes it seems like it's easier to use my hand, and then other times I feel like I need the tweezers. See, the lash is sticking to the tweezer. Okay, that one was a little bit easier. I think I'm getting better at that. I may have to come back and fix this corner lash. It's been taking me about 10 minutes to do one eye. Or that's not even an eye yet. It's like it takes this glue a minute to dry, so like, oh, it just sticks to everything. I don't even know if I can fit the last cluster on my eye. I probably didn't start far enough out with my first one. I don't know, I guess it'll fit in there. So we'll go for it. No. Okay, I mean, that's pretty impressive on you guys. It was a little bit of a learning curve to get the first few on there, but once I started working, it was good. I found that if you can hold a mirror downwards so that you can kind of see under your lashes, it makes it a lot easier. And then the corner feels a little weird, but I think I'll get used to it. It's just like the first time you wear regular lashes. Okay, let's try to do the other side. I hope these really last for 6 days like they're supposed to, because if they only last a day and they start falling off, this is so not worth it. I think the outside lashes are honestly the hardest ones to do, you guys. I think because there's not a lot of space right there between the lower lid and the upper lid, so it's hard to get that little lash all the way down to the lash line without getting it to stick into the glue before it reaches the lash line. Yeah, see, it's like an edge of it'll stick before the corner sticks. Ugh. I think we got it that time. I tried to pinch that and not pull it off, hopefully. I think this is the weirdest part of the whole thing, pinching them to your eyelash. Just like a strange concept, I don't know, it feels weird. Okay, number 2. Now this glue that they put in here is something serious. It's crazy. I just don't know if all this hassle is worth it. Again, it's gonna depend on how long they last, but like at this point, it's already been a 27-minute process of putting on these lashes. I could have had a full set of lashes on before now, for sure. Yeah, definitely being squished in on that outer corner makes a difference, because like these center ones are really easy to apply, because I can reach easily to the eyelid without getting caught up on other eyelashes. This side is looking really good. Okay, last one, you guys. 29 minutes and 45 seconds, so it's taken right about 30 minutes to put these lashes on. And then it says once you have all the lashes on that you should go back and clamp them all one more time. It says that continuing to clamp them as you wear them will help to keep them on longer. Okay guys, so first impressions of this product. Overall look is really nice. I mean, they look like lash extensions to me. Like, it looks like I went and had them done. And I didn't. I did them at home and it was much cheaper. The process is a little messy, or can be a little messy. My biggest thing is I want to see how these are going to wear over the next 6 days. Are they going to stay on for 6 days? I'm going to try and treat them like they said, not using any oil cleansers, making sure that I'm not sleeping on my face. So we will see how they wear over these next few days, and I will check in with you guys every day and kind of give you an update on how the lashes are doing. If these do last and they're only $14.99, then y'all better get you some, because they look beautiful. Hopefully with some practice, they'll be easier to apply. All right, guys, that's it for me for tonight. I will be back tomorrow to check in with you. Doing a check-in on the Ardell Professional Extend Wear Lash System. I have not had these on for 24 hours yet, and I just lost a section of the eyelashes. I am going to go ahead and reapply them. I do want to give them a fair shot, but I will say also I've had some lifting in the corner of this eye, and this is the eye that I did first, so I kind of expected that I would have problems with this eye. I'm kind of shocked that this one fell off, because I felt like I had to put a pretty good grasp on the application by the time I got over here. They do boast 6 days of wear with the application, and I have not been using oil cleansers, and I have been clamping them in the mornings when I get up and in the evening before bed like they suggested. So I'm going to reapply this lash and we will see how it goes. Update on the Ardell Professional Extended Wear Lash System. So I checked in with you guys yesterday. It hadn't even been 24 hours and I had already lost a lash that I was kind of shocked about. So this morning, after getting out of the shower, I have lost 3 pieces of the eyelash on this side. So far for me, not worth it. They don't last the 6 days that they say they're going to. If you're somebody that usually wears eyelashes every day, then it may be more worth it for you because, you know, even if you do lose 1 or 2 lashes in the evenings, they're super easy to apply. They do look very natural. I like how they apply underneath the eye so that you can't see the lash strip above the lash line. As far as being able to wear them for 6 days, so far for me, that is not holding true. I will probably try these again at some point just because I know the first time I applied them, I had a little bit of trouble with the application process. It was new to me, so there may have been a little bit of user error involved with them not wearing for the 6 days like they're supposed to. But even this eye, like when I got to this eye, I felt like I had done pretty well on it, and I still ended up losing a lash yesterday. So for this first round of this, I'm not real crazy about it. Like I said, if you are somebody that wears lashes all the time, then yes, they are probably for you. If you're gonna glue lashes on your eye every day anyway, then why not go ahead and do a set? It might take you 30 minutes to put them on the first time, but then like if you have to replace 1 little section of lash a day, that's not real bad. If you're a lash girl, check it out. If you're not, if you're somebody that's just looking to wear lashes for an event or for some photos or just for fun, don't invest your money in these. They are $14.99 for the set that I got. It does come with 2 pairs of lashes, which is nice, but as far as like them boasting this extended wear for 6 days, I just don't see it. I will give them another shot later down the road, and I'll share that with you guys when I do, but for this first trial, I'm not real impressed. Thank you again for joining me. Remember to go like my Facebook page, Kai Styles, hit that subscribe button on my YouTube page. Remember to be true to yourselves, to be kind to one another, and most importantly, to be beautiful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.